My name is Stuart Cohen. I'm an attorney, and I've been asked to answer some questions today. Let's see, the next question here is it important to act promptly to investigate the cause of the disability? And that has been broken down into two categories, adults and children. The quick answer is yes. As an attorney who's been handling cases for over 37 years involving people with very serious disabilities, I can tell you that it is critically important to act promptly. Evidence gets destroyed. Witnesses' memories fade. People's guilt changes their testimony, not because they want to lie, but because it's human nature not to want to continue to feel the pain, and it alters their memory, truly alters their memory. It's important to talk to people freshly after an incident and get the details. It's important to obtain medical records to make sure that they are accurate and have not been changed over time. And yes, I can report to you that unfortunately I have seen altered medical records in cases. There are time limits that pertain to civil actions. For adults, in most jurisdictions it's 2 years, but it varies from state to state. 2 years from the date of the injury to bring a claim. Some states have, for children, when the injury occurs before the child becomes an adult, which in most jurisdictions is 18, but again varies from jurisdiction to jurisdiction, that the child, there's a so-called tolling agreement, and the child does not have to bring a claim until 2 years after they become an adult. So in those states where you become an adult at 18, it's 18 plus 2 to the 20th birthday. But if you wait that long, many of the witnesses won't be available or can't be found, or their memories have faded, or the records have been destroyed because record retention policies don't require that some records be retained long enough. So in either event, whether it's an adult or a child, whenever there's a serious disability or a serious injury, it is my advice to families that they, as soon as possible and reasonable under the circumstances, begin to act. And if they're not able to do it because of their own grief or guilt or misgivings about the situation, then others in the family have to step in and encourage them to at least investigate the matter and make a decision about whether to do anything about that investigation at the appropriate time. But it is critical to do the investigation, and if a decision is made to bring a claim, to bring any claim within the appropriate statute of limitations. Otherwise, the right to bring a claim may forever be lost, either because it's time barred or because the evidence is long gone. It's an important question. I hope I've answered it. Thank you.